Do you want to discover the content of this package with me? Well, I'll show you it after the jingle. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the content of this package I got from Beebeecraft. Do you know Beebeecraft website? It is a website that sell a lot of crafts supplies, and you can find everything. So I have chosen some supplies from their website and I will show them in this video. They have given to me also a promo code Natalia 20. You can see it on the video, and with this promo code you can get the 10% off on your order. So let's get started and open our package, and let's discover the content of the order. This is the content of the order, and as you can see everything is inside this envelope, so I'm going to show you all the supplies I have chosen. Let's start from this beautiful bag of Preciosa crystals. These are beacons, 5mm beacons, and this is the code, and you will find all the links in the description below. I'm going to open the bag and remove the label. As you can see, Preciosa for creators. This is a very beautiful color, and it is called Rose Peach AB2X. Each bag has 24 pieces, and I have chosen 2 bags for this color and for the other colors too. This is the second bag, and now I'm going to show you the other color I have chosen, but I want to show you the reflections of this color. As you can see, this is a closer clip, and you can see all the reflections of this beautiful color, Rose Peach AB2X. Now I'm going to show you the second color, which is Jet AB2X, and this is also a 24 pieces bag, and the color is really beautiful. I have chosen 2 bags for this color too, and the size is 5mm. So we are going to use these beautiful beacons in the next tutorial, so stay tuned. This is the third color I have chosen, and this is the crystal AB2X, and the size is also 5mm, and I have chosen also 2 bags for this color for the amount of 48 pieces. I love this color, it is really beautiful, and this is the code of the beacons, but you will find all the links in the description below, and I'm going to show you the codes in the video too. So these are the beacons I have chosen by Preciosa, and I can't wait to try them in our projects. But let's go on with other supplies, because I have something really interesting to show to you. And first of all, I have decided to choose this colored wire, because I have tried it in the past and I love it, and so I have decided to take it again. This is the code. You can find 3 sizes of wire. This is an 18 gauge 1mm size, and you can find 10 meters of wire. This is a This is 0.6 millimeters wire, and the size is 22 gauge, and the third coil of wire is 20 gauge, 0.8 millimeter. Then I have chosen some bags of Miyuki beads. These are Delicas, and this is the color opaque white. This is the code. They are 11O, and the bags are of 10 grams. This is another color I have chosen, and we are going to use these two colors of Delica beads to make our tutorial, so can't wait to use them. This is a golden color. It is really beautiful, and the code is this one. This is a 10 grams bag too. I have decided to make a flower with these two colors of Delica beads, so I will show you then in a video the result of the tutorial. Then I have chosen also some chains. I love the mountain chains because I don't have to cut the chain, add the jump rings, add the lobster clasp, so they are already completed and ready to use. And I have decided to choose this box from Beebeecraft website, and there are some golden chains and silver chains. They are both stainless steel, but I have noticed that the size of the golden chain is smaller than the silver chain, as you can see from the video. To the rings of the stainless steel silver chain are bigger than the ones of the golden chain, but it doesn't matter. I will use them for sure, and they are about I think 10 chains for each color, and I will leave you the link of the chains in the description below. And don't forget, you can use the discount code Natalia 20 to get the 10% off your order. Now we are at the end of the video, and this is the code of the last cabochons I have chosen from the Beebeecraft website, and they are really, 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 really stunning. So you will see them in a while. Here they are, but I have to open the bag and place them upside down to let you see the beautiful colors of these Sqaure cabochons. I have decided to take this package of mixed cabochon, but as you can see, this is my favorite. These are my favorite, and the color is really, really beautiful. What do you think about it? I think we can also make a ring with it because they are not so big. They are 14 millimeters, I think. And this is also another beautiful color I love, white with blue, light blue reflections. I have also some dark pink Sqaure cabochons and light pink Sqaure cabochons. They are really, really, really beautiful. I have to make some tries and bezel them, and I will make a tutorial for you on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can find me also on TikTok, on Instagram with my name and surname Natalia Savastano. So please, if you like my projects, like my videos, follow me on other socials too. You can see this beautiful color of the squares cabochons, and this is the end of the video. So these are the supplies I have chosen from the Beebeecraft website. I thank them for sending me these beautiful supplies, and I will use them in the next two tutorials. And if you decide to place an order on the Beebeecraft website, don't forget to use my code Natalia20 to get the 10% off on your order. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please tell me in the comments which are your favorite supplies I have chosen from the website, and take a look at the Beebeecraft website, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!